Well, today is a very special day. My oldest daughter is gonna have another baby. And she has this grand idea that she wants to go to Disney World, get in front of Cinderella's castle, and have her two little girls hold up a sign that officially announces the new baby and its gender. And guess who she would like to make this so-called sign? You guessed it. This guy. So to plan all this out, my daughter sent me all kinds of Pinterest ideas, they're okay, but you know, I'm just kidding. They're terrible. And we all know how those Pinterest fails come out. I mean, really, did any of those things ever really work? But we're gonna see. I'm gonna make my own. Which, normally, not a big deal, but there's a big problem. We leave for Disney bright and early tomorrow morning. And it's due. I really didn't think it was that late. It's 7 p.m. I haven't even packed yet. We better think of something quick and get started. So, my idea is to take these black poster boards, hey, get out of the way, and make one big circle and two more circles out of another piece, and you will have the Mickey Mouse ears. I would do it out of one, but I kind of want it to be a little bit bigger, and there's some things I want to write on it. And of course, the bottom half will look like Mickey's shorts because we're at Mickey Mouse's house. Come on. And for this, we'll be using Posca markers. I'm gonna leave the top blank. I'm not gonna show you that part because that will reveal what it is. Duh. And you gotta wait till the end for that. But I feel like I got a good idea. It should be super simple if I can find a circle big enough. So I'm gonna go look for a circle. I'll be right back. All right, so I found a circle. Make sure there's no spiders in there. That's fine. And what? Okay, thought that was a lot bigger than that. I'll be back. All right, sweet. So I found this sled that should, dang it, it's too big. We'll be back again. Well, can't find any circles, so that's it. Video's over. Have a great day. I'm just kidding. Come on. We're more creative than that. Luckily, this poster board came with a bunch of other poster boards, so we can use one as a sacrifice. I mean, a sacrificial piece. Don't make it weird. And I looked everywhere for one of those little things that you make a triangle out of, and it compass. That's it. Yeah, literally. There's nothing that can make a circle around here. But then I opened the drawer and there it was. Headphones. What do you mean? Of course I could use that. So I'm gonna take these headphones and this little push pin and I'm gonna make my own thing with the string because I literally couldn't find any string anywhere. What kind of house are we running here? Sheesh. So you might be wondering, I still don't understand what you're talking about. What I did here is I found a nice little pin with a cap and it's got the little nerd pocket clip thing, you know, when you wear your pins in your pocket if you're the type of person that does that, and wrapped it around there real tight. Then I'm gonna tie this around this. I figured the kids do such a great job of getting these into knots. There's no reason I shouldn't be able to tie a knot around this and do around with like a little circle. It should work great. In my mind it works. And so I'm gonna do it and that makes me happy. Okay? Still, there we go, look at there. We got a pin. First, let's measure and find the center point. Half of 28 is, just kidding, 14. Half of, straighten up, 12, no, 11. No, 22, it is 11. I answered myself before I even knew it. There's a minute, I mean, it's not rocket science, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying?
Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Boom, you got your midsection. You probably cannot see that, but trust me, it's there. So now you stab your pin in there, all right? And I want it to be about all the way as big as it can be. And so right about there. So we're gonna tie this up around this booger. And each time I go around, I'm just shoving in there. And for extra bit of precaution, you can use some tape after you get it wrapped up. This is a genius idea, I'm gonna be honest. And no, I don't have fishing line. I stink at fishing. If I had to depend on fishing to survive, I'd starve. Okay, here we go. We got our measurement. We're gonna do a little circle and just follow it around. Try to keep it perpendicular. Do you know what that means? It means straight up and down to the paper. Perpendicular. You can do it either way. Whatever. Just basically makes a T. Center point. Oh, let's just move these out of the way. Draw it around. Take it around. Oh gosh, I moved the paper. But the pen didn't move because it's in with a needly thing. Oh gosh, why did I choose black? I totally cannot see it. That's all right. I think we'll make it work. I believe. There, that's good enough. All right, so I got to thinking. The red markers on here, did some tests. They show up good. This is gonna take forever ever to color that bottom half. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a piece of white and I'm just gonna fold it in half and spray paint it and hope for the best. Okay, let's see how it goes. And if you wanna know, I'm using the apple red satin from Rust-Oleum 2X. Woo! Here we go. Gosh, I always almost die there. What do you mean that doesn't sound real? That's totally not a voice effect. Anyway, that turned out fantastic. Look at that nice clean line right there. Now, what can I say? And we'll put that over here. Now I just need to make some ears. And surely, you know, they need to be proportional to Mickey's big head. So, okay. Our meeting first time didn't go over so well. Okay, can you come through for some ears? Can I depend on you? Huh? Let's see. I think we have a winner. Thanks. Okay, now Galloway, do your job. So we're gonna trace this. Why do I keep choosing black? My gosh, I can't even see this stuff. Oh yeah, his ears are black. Okay, I guess I didn't have a choice. All right, so anyway, we're gonna move forward and trace this out and then cut it out. And it'll look like this. All right, we are moving right along here. I don't know what that was. Right along here, we have the ears cut out. We have them placed nicely. Now we're gonna cut out a nice straight line on the red so we can put him some pants on, for crying out loud. Mickey Mouse is a streaker. So you see why we folded it and made that nice neat line? You're welcome. Still a little tacky. It's fine. You know, if I would have thought about it ahead of time a little bit better, I might have got red poster board. Do they even make red poster board? I don't know. Too late now. All right, now we're back behind here. Ooh, I feel like we're in that movie where he does the pottery behind the person. Hey, I'm right behind you here, not being weird at all. So, look down here. Look down a little further. There you go. I feel like if I put my letters first and I got free range, I'll go too far down and then Mickey will be sagging. He won't have enough room for his pants in his butt. We're gonna put his pants on the right way, and the way I'm gonna figure that is I'm gonna do it on this side. Pick it up and get it about where I think I want it, and then I'll make a little line and cut it out like this. All right, so we got our pen. Hey, not down there, up here. So I got my pen and I literally couldn't get it off. The thing's tied on it really good. The little sticker pin is still in there. I tied the knot a little too good, so you know, whatever. I mean, I just gotta drag it right. I can just take the top off. Dude, what the heck? Okay, pretend you never saw that. We'll cut that out and edit. There we go. All right, so I've made a line across here. Well, I want to move this out of the way. I practiced writing what I wanted to write, but I'm gonna leave off the gender part. Why you keep trying to find out? You'll find out at the end of the video, okay? Be patient. Watch the end of the video so YouTube will know that you like this. And while you're at it, if you notice right here, there's a super thanks. A little heart with a $sign in it. That's like an online tip jar for my videos. So if you're really enjoying it, you want to see more of it, you want to support me, keep me going, just throw a little change in the tip jar there. And your name will get highlighted in the comments. And everybody will know that you're a fantastically great, amazing human being, okay? So I'm really nervous about this. That's why I keep talking. I could have printed out some letters and traced it. Or I could draw some lines. Oh, part of me is too lazy. I'm sorry. I should have used a pencil. But I'm not going to use a pen. I'm going to use this thing. It's a little white drawer doohickey called a Stabilo pencil. And I just got this one. It's brand new. You don't believe me? So is this Stabilo pencil. We're going to write. Move it up just a little bit. M-A-R-C-H. So we're gonna go, whoa, that is tiny. Good thing this rubs off. C-O-M-I-N-G. And I. Oh, watch this. I'm gonna do this with the I, like a Disney thing. See that? Isn't that how they do it? I feel like it is. Yeah, what's the next letter? M. It's hard to write backwards. M. C-O. I want to do my C kind of cartoony, exaggerated, bigger than it. Boom. I like that. Can you see it on the camera? Oh yeah, you can totally see that. That looks great. My march is a little squished, but hey, it's cartoon letters. What do you want? Mickey Mouse wrote this. 3, 2. I like doing my 2s like this. Oval shape. 2, 3. Boom. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna write this up real quick. I'm not gonna stress you out writing it, looking at it. Like that. down, around, and kick it back like that. Boom. All right, so we're going to start this way so we don't put our hands in paint. Thicken up my lines, give them some style and character, or just leave them skinny, who cares? When you write Baby Westbrook coming March 2023, you write it however you want to, okay? And I'm gonna do it all like this. Whew. There we go. Look at that. Isn't that nice? Turned out great. No reason to be nervous or sweaty at all. So now, there's only a few things left to do before we assemble it. I'm literally gonna use black, like duct tape or Gorilla Tape or whatever this stuff is. It's really sticky. Works pretty good. Maybe brace it on the back with a, where are you going? Stir stick or something. Put the buttons on. But now it's time to go pack because we're leaving in the morning and it's like 10, 11 o'clock at night. All right, the bags are packed. It's early in the morning. Before we go, I'm gonna call my daughter on FaceTime and see what she thinks of the sign I made. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Are you ready to go to Disney World?
We are almost all packed.
Are you ready to see the sign I made?
Yes. Let me see.
What do you think?
Oh my God, I love it. I love how you wrote.
Wait, no. Shh. They only have 59.44 seconds left before they actually find out, so let's don't spoil it just yet. Glad you love it, and we'll see you in a few.
All right, love y'all. See y'all in a few.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
All right, we made it. We're here. Tomorrow is the big reveal. Hey, who's that? Look at that guy. See what she's having, and you can see how that poster turned out. Okay? Bye. Hello, Piper.
Hello, Piper.
Why are you sweating so bad?
Because I put sunblock on.
Oh, it's not because it's 4,000 degrees outside?
No.
It's really hot.
Yeah, it's really hot out.
And we're just getting in here.
Yeah.
Are you ready to see what the baby's gonna be? If it's a boy or a girl?
There's a baby in my mom's tummy.
You're not supposed to tell them already. They don't know yet. It's a surprise. What's that on my nose?
A poop.
It's sweat because it's so hot. Are you hot?
No.
Okay, good. That makes one of us.
Just kidding.
3, 2, 1. Say, it's a boy.
It's a boy.
Yay! Finally. Just kidding. Are you gonna have a little baby?
Yeah.
What is it?
A boy.
What's his name gonna be?
I don't know.
What do you want it to be?
Pickle.
Pickle? That's weird.
I don't know.
Okay, that's enough. All right, here we go. 3, 2, 1.